Tripura Governor Indra Sena Reddy Nallu on Sunday joined local residents, students and officials at the Eklavya Model Residential School in Khumulwng to listen to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's monthly radio broadcast Mann Ki Baat. The governor was accompanied by West Tripura District Magistrate Dr. Vishal Kumar and SP Namit Pathak during the event.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The visit to the Premier Residential Institute highlights the administration's focus on connecting grassroots educational infrastructure with national initiatives. Following the radio broadcast, Governor Nallu interacted with the students and faculty of EMRS Khumulwng, emphasizing the importance of utilizing digital and education platforms to foster holistic regional development.
Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
All the students, please stand up.
Doubles our enthusiasm and motivates us to bring.
Reported by Raju Jamatia from Khumulwng, Chini, Khorang.